Let's get it, man. It's your boy J Will back with another video. Just updating y'all quick on my last video when I set up the tendencies campaign on Microsoft Ads, just giving y'all the results on the sales I made. Go over here, refresh your screen. Over here on Digistore, as you can see right here, it's a quartet. See these two sales I made on December 12th and December 15th. We're gonna pull up the Microsoft ad on December 12th. As you can see, I got these two ads paused. I got this one running, how to stop ear ringing, 60-second ritual, white secret video. All right, now right here, December 12th, got an engagement that turned into a sale. You can see right here, this the keywords that help us get the sale. Help for tendencies ringing in ears. As you can see, 79096325237045. It's our ad number that we made the sale from. You can see that same number right here in this corner. If you need to pause the video and look at that, you can. That's the same number right here. That sale accumulated $179. That day we spent, let me see, we spent $102 that day, about 98 cents a click. We're going to swing over to the other day we made a sale, which was the 15th. Let's go to the 15th. We spent about $100. Let's see, change click magic to the 15th. Customize. Come on. Come on, 15, man. Another engagement that turned to a sale right here. This was our keywords that made the sale, and it was on a mobile device. Know how to start tendencies instantly. Same ad number. See, it ends with 45. Spent about $100. Got about 124 clicks. This ad will make the sale. So if you guys want to take this ad, you can copy it. And I can show you guys the website I'm using. Click on the ad right here. It's the website I'm using. I set this whole thing up in my last video. Go rewatch the last video. And these are the two sales I made. I stopped the ad. It's currently not running. Click on it. Takes you to the web page. And this is how I made the two sales. Just want to show you guys the results. I've been busy lately. I've been traveling a little bit. Now I'm back. So if you guys want me to make another video similar to this video, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know below. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. Y'all have a good day.